Hi everyone, welcome to Guerra Elementary, home of the Mighty Eagles, where every day we soar to new heights. My name is Lillian Villarreal and I am the principal to a wonderful community. I am excited to invite you to join us today here at Guerra Elementary to see why we are the best fit for your family. We can't wait to show you everything that we have to offer.
Guerra Elementary connects us to universities by bringing us opportunities to network with our Texas universities. This helps us think about where we want to go after we graduate. We are actually one of the few elementaries here in PSJA that offer a full-day Pre-K3 and Pre-K4 program in the city of Alamo, provided with rich learning and opportunities to build those social skills.
Here at Guerra Elementary, every student is unique and special. We prepare them to compete in a global society, and we provide them with all the tools needed to excel. Come be a part of our Guerra family today.